We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Compliments of the season. It gets giddy whenever I want to make my DIY zobo and kunu drink. But for now, here is how I make my zobo without sugar. Just get me a sweet pineapples and we're good to go. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You should test this, Have you ever had a taste of my zobo homemade? I don't reuse my leaves, so but you buy my discard there, dear mommy. The fridge passion. Thank you. God bless you.